Hey guys, Fab Guy here. Got a number of different requests to do a video, a little review on these hood vent fans. So they are 5-inch fans, and they are set on pushers, so they're pushing the air out of the hood. And I do have my hood vents set up blowing towards the windshield. There is a high pressure area created on the windshield. That's why they make cowl hoods. And I am running the Thor intake. So yeah, maybe that hot air is getting sucked in through the intake on slow speed stuff, like when I'm crawling, but I haven't seemed to have had any issues. I also just set up this fan down here. Not convinced it really works too great. It's I think this is a 4-inch. You can see my oil cooler in there, so it's the heatsink style. So not ideal. It's just blowing air onto the tranny cooler. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I did cut this whole section out of my bumper too. So worst case, I'll just take it off and maybe set it up as a pusher in the middle in the summertime. Going for function, not beauty at this point. So the hood vents work 100%. I didn't run any temperature sensors under the hood. I know before in the 90s, under my hood temps would get about 145, pretty warm. That was before the hood vents. But what's interesting is if I turn these hood vents on and my auxiliary fan, my engine will go all the way down to 180, about 85 degrees outside is all I've been able to test so far. And my tranny cooler, my transmission will cool way down. I mean, it'll pull it down about 12 degrees. So it's definitely helping, definitely works. Yeah, I know other people have done this, but yeah, go for it. It's definitely a good thing. See ya. Over and out.